everyone, and welcome to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making corn soup. Let's get started. Now I'm going to put into a deep pot 1 cup of split peas. Make sure that you wash your split peas until the water runs clear. This is 1 cup of split peas. And we are now going to add a 1/3 cup of sliced celery, 5 pimentos sliced, 1/4 cup of shadow benny, a 1/3 cup of sliced chive, and 1 stalk of fine leaf thyme. We're also going to add 3 cloves of grated garlic. You're going to cover this with 4 cups of water, and you are going to allow it to boil until the split peas are very soft. So while your split peas are on the fire, you are now going to make your dumpling. And you will just need 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and approximately 3/4 cups of water. Now you don't want a soft dough, you want a firm dough. So you're going to gradually add your water until you mix in all the dry flour. So okay guys, this is what your flour will look like. It's firm, and you're just going to set it aside till it's time to put it into your soup. Okay guys, so as you can see, my split peas, the water has dried out a little bit. So I'm going to add now another 4 cups of water to finish boiling it so that it can be softer. And when it is softer, remember what I'm going to tell you guys is you're going to take out this. Get rid of it because we are going to blend the remaining liquid to make a nice, smooth, creamy base. Okay guys, so now this is what the split peas looks like. I'm going to remove the thyme, and I'm going to tell you, you don't necessarily have to do this. I do it because I like a smooth base. So you can either cool it down and you can do it in your blender, or this is what I use. This is what it looks like now, okay? And we are going to put it back onto the fire. So okay guys, so now it's nice and smooth, and we are now going to add our water. We're going to add 4 cups of water, 1 cup of coconut milk, another 2 cups of water, and now we are going to add everything else. 3 ears of corn cut into pieces, just as a size. 1 cup of corn kernels, 2 cups of diced pumpkin, 1/2 cup of carrots sliced, 1 cup of sweet potato, 1.5 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so this is our flour, and we are going to just break off a piece, and you're going to roll it in your hand like this. I roll it to a certain length, and then I cut it in half. So I'm going to roll it to about this size, and then I'm going to cut it in half. And you continue like that until all you're done. Okay guys, so this is our corn soup, and it's finished cooking. And as I said before, you always can adjust your seasoning and serve nice hot. But this is Trinidad Corn Soup.